Hello guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So in this video, we'll be doing a speed test comparison between OnePlus 10 Pro with that of latest release from OnePlus, which is OnePlus 11. And after this speed test, you guys will have a fair idea. Is it worth upgrading from OnePlus 10 Pro to OnePlus 11 when it comes to things like app opening speed, RAM management, etc. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here you can see we have two phones. Towards the left hand side, this is a OnePlus 10 Pro, and towards the right hand side, this is our OnePlus 11. First of all, let me show you software information on both these phones and a little bit of hardware information also. So if you go to settings, about section, both the devices are running on their latest build of Oxygen OS 13, which is the stable build. But guys, remember one thing here, I have 16GB RAM variant of OnePlus 11, wherein OnePlus 10 Pro only has 8GB of RAM. We'll also get an idea how much difference we get to see when we have exactly double the RAM on OnePlus 11. And talking about processor, OnePlus 10 Pro is powered with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, wherein OnePlus 11 is powered with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Also, we have disabled the RAM expansion feature on both these phones, and both of them are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. We have removed all the games from the GameSpace application because if we enable the gaming mode on OnePlus smartphones, it will kill the background applications. And with that, we won't get fair idea about the RAM management. Also, the resolution is set to max on both these phones, and these are the applications which we'll be testing out in this speed test. When it comes to file manager, there is a zip file of around 5.5 GB. We'll try unzipping that file, and after that, under Filmora also we have a video file of 4K at 60 FPS. We'll render that video and we'll see which device performs the task faster. Later we have some heavy games. And guys, this is a manual test, so it's not possible to tap on both the screens at the same time. There will be for sure difference of milliseconds here and there, but still we'll get an idea about the app opening speed and the background management along with the benchmarks. So I'll show you the benchmarks also. First, let's start with the boot test and we'll see which device boots up faster. So we'll restart both the devices at the same time. So here OnePlus 11 is quite faster in booting up when we compare it with OnePlus 10 Pro. OnePlus 10 Pro took additional 10 seconds to boot up. And guys, before moving ahead, if you guys like our content, then make sure to subscribe our channel and smash that like button. It will help us in making quality content. When we talk about unlocking the device with fingerprint and face unlock, so I did not see much of difference, though slight difference was there. OnePlus 11 was unlocking faster when it comes to face unlock and fingerprint unlock. Also, the camera application opens up faster, and initially there was a noticeable difference in the shutter speed, but later both were performing equally fast. And now let's do the app opening speed here on this device. So let me close all the applications. So here you can see we don't have any app running in the background. I've also turned off the feature of lock application on both these phones. Here you can see we have some basic applications followed by some social media application, shopping app, one video editor, and few games. So let's open the first application, which is Clock, and that was slightly faster, not a major difference. And we'll run the stopwatch in the background, open up calculator at the same time, photos, so that was slightly faster on OnePlus 11. We'll open the recently deleted section here and leave it running in the background. Then we have Chrome, that opened up at the same time, though loading of entire page was slightly faster on OnePlus 11. Let's load our website now, and that loaded up at the same time. Instagram, almost at the same time, no difference. Twitter, slightly faster on OnePlus 11. Play Store, again little bit faster on OnePlus 11. We'll leave it running in the background now. Let's go to YouTube. Bit faster on OnePlus 10 Pro. Let's load our channel and leave it running in the background. Now we have Amazon. Bit faster on OnePlus 11. Flipkart, again bit faster on OnePlus 11. Now let's open up the file manager. So that opened up at the same time. So let me show you the file which we are going to unzip. So here we have the zip file. We'll select the folder where we need to unzip. So we'll unzip in the extracted file. So let's tap on extract here at the same time. And you can see there's a lot of difference in the extracting speed of this zip file. OnePlus 11 have already completed the task. OnePlus 10 Pro took additionally 15 seconds. We'll leave that folder open, Now here we have Filmora. that loaded up faster on OnePlus 11. Tapping on new project, and here we have that video which is of 4K at 60 FPS and the length is 2 minutes. Tapping on next. Initially you can see OnePlus 10 Pro is taking the lead in importing the file, and I think OnePlus 10 Pro would complete importing faster than OnePlus 11. And here you can see OnePlus 10 Pro took a massive lead in importing the same file. OnePlus 11 took additionally 25 seconds, and now let's apply the same filter on this video. We'll tap apply to all, and now we'll export the file. So without premium membership we can only export in 720p, but still we'll get a fair idea about the rendering of video on 8 Gen 1 and 8 Gen 2. So let's tap on export now. And OnePlus 10 Pro is still faster in exporting. Here you can see it has already taken the lead of approximate 10%. And there we go. OnePlus 10 Pro have already completed the task. OnePlus 11 taking additionally 20 seconds more to complete the same task. And now let's open up the games and see which device loads them faster. Starting with Subway Surfer. That was faster on OnePlus 11. Temple Run. Again faster on OnePlus 11. Now we have Battlegrounds Mobile India. And that's faster on OnePlus 11. OnePlus 10 Pro taking additionally 5 seconds to load it. And the last game we have is Genshin Impact. So that's again faster on OnePlus 11. Let's tap on start game at the same time. Tapping on tap to begin. And here OnePlus 11 takes the lead in loading all the games. Now let me also show you the benchmark results on both these phones. Okay, so I have already taken a screenshot, so I'll just open the gallery application once again and we'll show you the screenshots. So these are the results where you can see OnePlus 10 Pro have scored better scores in single core, wherein OnePlus 11 have scored only 1044, though multi-scores are quite higher on OnePlus 11. And when we talk about the CPU throttling, a lot of throttling issues to be seen on OnePlus smartphones, wherein we did the test of 100 threads up to 60 minutes, wherein OnePlus 10 Pro CPU throttled up to 54 and OnePlus 11 CPU throttled up to 48%. OnePlus 10 Pro heated up a lot. Maximum temperature which I noticed during the throttling test was around 47.2 degrees Celsius, wherein OnePlus 11 maximum temperature went only up to 44 degrees Celsius. And you guys must be aware that OnePlus 10 Pro comes with UFS 3.1, though OnePlus 11 higher variant comes with UFS 4.0. And now let me show you the read and write difference on both these phones. So here you can see a massive difference in UFS 3.1 with that of UFS 4.0. OnePlus 11 scores are 1,25,458, whereas OnePlus 10 Pro only scored 48,856. So I always prefer UFS 4.0. So if you guys must be aware that OnePlus did claim in their launch event that OnePlus 11 comes with this new RAM Vita AI feature which can keep 44 applications running in the background. So let's find out. We don't have 44 applications. There are very less applications which are still in the background. We'll see which device have kept these applications running in the background. So starting with the first application, which is clock. So that is running in the background on OnePlus 11. If you guys remember, we started this stopwatch, but that reloaded on OnePlus 10 Pro. Then we have calculator still present in the memory. Gallery application, we had to see the screenshot. So let's see, that screenshot is still available. So gallery application is running in the memory. Now going to Chrome. So Chrome reloads on OnePlus 10 Pro, but still present in the memory of OnePlus 11. Instagram present in the memory of both these phones. Twitter still present. Play Store, that also still present. YouTube reloads on OnePlus 10 Pro, but still present in the memory of OnePlus 11. Amazon, that reloads on OnePlus 10 Pro. Flipkart, it's still present in the memory of OnePlus 11, though the page loads on OnePlus 10 Pro. File Manager, still present in the memory. Filmora, still running in the background. Subway Surfer, that reloads on OnePlus 10 Pro but present in the memory of OnePlus 11. Temple Run 2, that also reloads on OnePlus 10 Pro and present in the memory of OnePlus 11. Battlegrounds Mobile India is available in the memory of both the phones. Genshin Impact, that reloads on OnePlus 10 Pro but still present in the memory of OnePlus 11. So guys, as you all saw, there's not much of difference when you compare OnePlus 10 Pro with that of OnePlus 11. We only see improvement in the RAM management and in loading heavier games. And huge thanks to Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 which is present on OnePlus 11. Other than that, almost every task was done equally faster on both these phones, but I am impressed with the video rendering speed and importing speed on OnePlus 10 Pro. But you guys can now decide whether if you have OnePlus 10 Pro, is there any need to upgrade to OnePlus 11 or not. I personally don't feel any requirement of upgrading to OnePlus 11 if you already have OnePlus 10 Pro. But still, you guys let me know how much difference did you guys feel in all the situations what we have tested. And remember, OnePlus 11 had 16 GB of RAM, wherein my OnePlus 10 Pro had only 8 GB of RAM. So guys, this was a quick speed test between OnePlus 10 Pro with that of OnePlus 11. If you guys have any kind of questions, do let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.